Yeah, hello everybody. I'm Bronislaw Tultschin, business lead from Customer Innovation Office AppHaus. Yesterday I gave my session here at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona about how to make innovation tangible with design thinking, with applying our design-led approach. So why we talk about this today? Yeah, because many executives understand that business is not usual now. Environment is not really friendly, so a lot of disruption going on. Many executives understand that technology plays a key role, but the key point is unified culture. The culture, innovation culture, is really the key when achieving your business roles. But how we achieve this culture? We talk about design thinking, and design thinking, this is the approach how we bring all them together: technology, business, and human factors. We need to focus on people, on their needs and their expectation. And I would like to give you three main learnings what we could gain out of our project. First of all, empathy. Develop and build empathy for your end users. The second point, collaboration with your stakeholders, customers. And third point, iteration. Be agile, iterate, deliver viable solution in small pieces, enhance and validate. But again, involve your end users, understand what they need, what their requirements. People-focused innovation. This is the key message I would like to give to you. Thanks a lot.